You want to make a pretty cocktail for that special hot date you have on Valentine's Day? Make them something they never had before? Well, if that's the case, I have just the cocktail for you. Let's make the... If you want to skip to a certain part of the video, just click the chapters in the description below. This cocktail was created only a few years ago by Zachary Gelno-Rubin at his cocktail bar Lion in Harlem, New York. I'm not going to tell you the name of the cocktail until the end of the video because it sounds a little bit silly if you ask me. I'm sure there's a great story behind it, I just don't know it. For the ingredients, we're going to do a Blanco tequila. I'm using Jose Cuervo, and this is not the same as the Jose Cuervo that comes in the square bottle. Those bottles are what you call a mixto. It's not 100% agave, but this is real tequila, and this is good. An apricot liqueur, I'm using Giffard, which is phenomenal. If you can find this, go get it. Creme de cacao, Aquafaba, and Aquafaba is the water from a can of chickpeas. I know that sounds really funny, but it has the same effect on a cocktail that egg whites does. So when you use it and you shake your cocktail, you get a frothy, silky texture to the cocktail, which is really nice. And then we're going to use some fresh lemon juice. Today I want to touch on the importance of getting good liqueurs. And if you don't know really what a liqueur is, it's basically a base spirit. It could be vodka, or it can be even tequila or cognac or rum, and then you sweeten that, and then you add whatever fruit or nuts or herbs that you want, so you turn it into a liqueur. So by definition, a liqueur has sugar in it. It's always going to be sweet, and that's the point. And I do understand going to the liquor store, and if you don't know this, that it's easy just to grab the cheapest bottle. Try to step up a little bit because your cocktails are going to turn out so much better. These two are my favorites, and I had to ask my liquor store to order them for me because they didn't carry them, and they did. Put some money into the ingredients. It's worth it. All right, let's make it. 3/4 ounce of Aquafaba. Half an ounce of creme de cacao. Half an ounce of apricot liqueur. 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And 1.5 ounce of your tequila. First, we're going to give this a dry shake, which means we put no ice in the tin, and this is to emulsify the Aquafaba with all the other ingredients and make it really nice and frothy. After we dry shake it, we put ice in our tin, which I just did, and then you shake it again. Get your chilled glassware and double strain. We're going to garnish it with a couple of drops of Peychaud bitters that I have right here in a little dropper to make it easier. And there it is. Let's give it a try. That is super tasty and very approachable. Silky, smooth, just enough sweetness from the creme de cacao and the apricot to balance out the lemon and the tequila. Really good. I also just wanted to add that in the original recipe, there is no aquafaba or egg white or anything to make the cocktail frothy. That was my addition to this recipe, just so you know. If you're spending Valentine's Day alone like me, just omit all the ingredients except for the tequila and just take it from there, okay? Enjoy your weekend, give somebody a hug and a kiss, call your mother, tell her you love her, and yeah, that's it for me. I'll see you later. Oh, right. You want the name of the cocktail. It's Kissy Face. Yeah, like I said, I'm sure there's a good story behind it. I'm gonna suck my kissy face.